This is a short video clip of how to utilize 3D references. Now you can use the 3D function much easier than the 3D formula, right? Doesn't sound like I have a full class here. Okay. So anyway, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we only have the summary sheet selected. So just verify that that is the only one. And remember, if you have to ungroup, don't forget, right click. That way you can ungroup those sheets. So it's just a summary. Now, I'm activating cell B6, okay? That's B6. And the first thing you want to do is put in your function, right? Equals sum. Don't forget your left paren. So you can see that up there in the magnified view at the top. The next step would be to activate your sheet that you would like to use. In this case, it's Camden, Delaware. Just want to emphasize it's not New Jersey's Camden, right? So we want to go to cell B6, right? Now let's take a look at our syntax here. Does everybody have equals sum, left paren, Camden, B6? Okay. This is where I wish I had a third hand because I'm in the middle of this. So basically, what do I need to do now to include Magnolia, Delaware? Who remembers? I think I might need an assistant. Wait a minute. I'm going to pause this. So what you have to do, like you may have heard someone say, you have to shift click the other sheet or control click it. Okay? So now in my syntax, in my formula, I should have not just Camden, but Magnolia. What does that exclamation point mean? Anybody recall? We got Camden through Magnolia. Right, followed by, right, B6. So there it is. Now what do? I hit enter, and my total is 250. Only thing left to do, folks, is to go to that autofill handle in the lower right corner, click, hold, and drag, and then while these three values are still selected, copy this down to the next two rows. And that is a great example of a 3D function. Basically, it's a function, or it could be a formula that spans across multiple sheets. Thank you for watching this video. Keep in touch. Remember, think Patricia, 7189 @gmail.com.